This is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma double cab 5-foot bed SR5. Has 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this truck a score of 94 out of 95 and shows no history of being involved in any accident or having any damage reported. It has a towing capacity of up to 6,500 pounds. Here is the back, your bed. It already has a nice liner to protect your truck. You have the fuel rams, and there's the tread on the tires. The interior is a gray fabric in excellent condition. Here's the back row. And there's your rubber floor mats. You do have the power sliding window. I need to mention that this Toyota Tacoma is equipped with a tech package, and I'll show you a little bit what that includes here in just a second. Here is your display screen, which is where your backup camera is. It is also equipped with Apple CarPlay. You have dual climate control. There's your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel high or 4-low. So you have the blind spot monitoring. And then you've got your adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Those are with part of the tech package. There are no caution or warning lights on. And over here, you have the light for your truck bed as well as the light bar. And you've got power locks and power windows. And then over here, I'm going to show you the Camburg shocks. And then up here, you've got the light bar. So if you are looking for a Toyota Tacoma to travel around in and go on adventures with, coming to Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.